our students, principal come, vice principal, my friend Siran Smanji, HOD Sanskrit, my friend Sej Aji, dear teachers, and rest of the school family members. Here we are on the eve of Science Day, February 28. Every year we observe to inculcate scientific temperament. Before to say something more, I recall, remember, and regard to every scientist of the world who made the life smooth, who made the life challenging, who came for many solutions for the problems that the human civilization does face. I too pay my regard to Sir C.V. Raman, who really did the challenging work. You have been listening of the Raman effect. There is a question from my friend, from my student, young scientist. Can you tell me what is Raman effect? Anyone among the students sitting here? What is Raman effect? Yes? Any one of you? It is all expected from you. The Raman effect. Yes, any one of you? आप बताइए रमन इफेक्ट क्या है? पीछे से Why do you hesitate for committing wrongs or the mistakes? Mistakes are the way of life. Mistakes are the best learners. Mistakes do make us to learn smoothly and in a better way. Don't hesitate for making mistakes. Please answer. What is Raman effect? Very good.
कोई लाइट में किसी पार्टिकल से टकराता है तो जब कोई लाइट रे किसी पारदर्शी पार्टिकल से टकराता है तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट होता है और रेलेस लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन वहां पर काम करता है। जब वहां पर एनर्जी का कोई ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है, लेकिन जब 10 मिलियन लाइट के 10 मिलियन फोटोन पार्टिकल्स में से एक फोटोन पार्टिकल का एनर्जी लेवल चेंज हो जाता है तो वो रमन इफेक्ट कहलाता है। और ये साधारणतः स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट से संबंधित है और इसी के कारण आकाश नीला दिखाई देता है या फिर समुद्र का पानी भी नीला दिखाई देता है।
Okay, good. आप Raman effect is the collision between monochromatic photon, because collision between monochromatic photon and a scatter is molecules collision. Second point, it is inelastic collision. By inelastic collision we mean the collision in which the frequency changes. The collision in which the energy of the photon changes. What happened? Understand? When Sir C.V. Raman was about to observe the natural phenomenon like blue color of the sky, blue color of sea water. He went for the reason. Though the very observation was not altogether or entirely new, theoretical credit goes to a scientist, a speaker. But it was the C.V. Raman who first observed it experimentally. What he observed? He observed that these two natural phenomena are due to the scattering of light, meaning thereby there is a collision between the monochromatic photon and the molecules as the scatter. Molecules what? Molecules are the oceanic molecules. Molecules may be the atmospheric molecules. Very clear? Third point about this is that it paves a path for so many medical users too. Just our students revealed that even the cancer cell could be located by the use of the laser beam. Now, how you know how cancer deadly is there, and now we find the remedy and the location of the cancer cell with the help of the Raman effect, with the help of the laser. How the frequency changes? It is all obvious. Suppose a photon strikes a molecule. Understand? Just possible, the photon gives energy to the molecule. What happens? When a photon gives energy to the molecule, its energy will be less because a part of the energy of the photon goes to the molecule. Very clear? Then the scattered photon will be